For this deliverable, our main focus was on integrating the various APIs provided by Dialogflow, improving the user experience, and also hosting our application on a public server. For the remaining part of Sprint 4, we worked on providing the user suggestions based on the remaining filter values. So we had these tasks created so that the user can filter the TV shows and the movies based on year and ratings. And also, we created this task to integrate the Dialogflow's entity API to fetch all the different entities which we have already created over there. So as you can see, we have these entities created on Dialogflow. And this filter entity contains the different filters based on which user can filter: language, genre, caste, ratings, and year. And the values of these entities are stored in. So if the user comes and types in a hello, we provide him with two options: movie suggestions or TV show suggestions. If he clicks on one of these, we give him 5 different filter values based on which he can further filter. If he clicks on one of these buttons, he's provided with different language values. He can write any of his own language also, or choose from these options given. Similarly, for TV show suggestions, we provide him with 4 different filter values. Here is a list of different genres based on which he can watch a TV show. He can write any other genre as well, but we provide with the top 20 values. Moving on to Sprint 5. So our main goal in Sprint 5 was to improve the user experience and to host our application on Amazon EC2 server. We decided that rather than providing the user the list of TV shows and movies just as plain text, we should provide him an image and also as an option to watch a trailer of that particular TV show or movie. He can then decide whether he wants to watch it or not, or if he wants to further filter based on the different values given to him. So we had created several tasks to implement this feature and modified our webhook to return the movie details along with the images as well as the video details and the overview for that particular movie or the TV show. And we had these tasks created to implement these features on UI and also tasks for hosting our application on Amazon EC2. So here is our application hosted on Amazon EC2 server. The user comes in and types in movies. He's asked for what language, and the genre. And now, rather than plain text, we provide him with these beautiful values of the movies in that particular language and genre. If the user clicks on any one of these, he will be provided with an overview of that movie and an option to watch the trailer. If he wishes, he can go ahead and watch the movie, or he can further filter based on the given values. So now he is provided with all the movies with rating 8 and more. And if he clicks on one of these, he is provided with an overview and also an option to watch a trailer. The similar flow is implemented for TV shows. He needs to provide the language and the genre. And now we have all the TV shows in German language and action genre. An overview and an option to watch the trailer. If he wants, he can further filter as well. He can select from these given year values. So now we have all the TV shows released in the year 2015. And if he clicks on one of these, he is provided with an overview. This seems to be a bad TV show with a rating only 0. So we choose to select any other which has a better rating. And now we have an overview of the TV show and an option to watch the trailer. We also implemented a feature so that when the user comes and directly writes a movie name, he will be provided with the details of that movie. So suppose the user comes in and types here The Mummy. Now he is provided with the details of that particular movie. So for this deliverable, the integration of the Dialogflow APIs, the TMDB APIs to return the images and the YouTube video trailer paths, along with the fixing of the existing bugs was done by Janvi. The enhancement of the UI to display the images and the videos and to provide the suggestion buttons as well as hosting the application on EC2 was done by Siddharth. The modification of the webhook to display all the movie details and also to provide direct suggestion to the user was done by Bhavna. The integration of the TMDB API to fetch the genre and the language IDs was done by Dhruv. The overlapping issue on Chrome was fixed by Aprajita. The implementation of the Dialogflow API to fetch the intent details was done by Janish. Thank you.